Welcome back, and it's lesson 4 we're on now, and as we discussed, we're going to continue with another jig in the same key of G major, and it's a tune called Fasten the Leg. So it's actually a kind of a twin tune to the previous one, so they go well together as a set, and that's what we do in traditional Irish music. We usually pair tunes together, or maybe 3 or 4 tunes depending on the musician, and this was recorded by a well-known piano accompanist and banjo player called Brian McGrath from Fermanagh. So you may check Brian out when you get some time. Great accompanist, and I learned a lot of my accompaniment skills and ideas from Brian and other people. So it's good to know that you can learn from other accompaniment instruments besides guitar. So I'm going to play the first part on guitar for you, and then we'll go through the chords. So remembering it's in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's part A of Fasten the Leg, and we're going to go through the chords to the first 4 bars now, and after which we will ask Doireann to play those bars for us. So the first 2 bars again here are the chord of G, and then we have a chord of A minor for a bar followed by G to D. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 4, 5, 6. So 2 bars of G, 1 bar of A minor, and the final 4th bar of G to D. Once more. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, 5, 6, G, D. And again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, 4, 5, 6, G. So that's the first 4 bars, that's half of part A, and we'll ask Doireann now to join us and play this on the fiddle for us. 3, 4. Okay, and again a couple of times we'll try it. And once more. 3, 4. A minor. So the second set of 4 bars for part A go like this. So we have 2 bars of G, 2, a bar of A minor, 2, a bar of D. So 2 bars of G followed by a bar of A minor followed by a bar of D. That's the second 4 bars, and we'll ask Doireann now to play the tune for us for that section. 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Time, 3, 4. A minor. And we'll piece all of part A together now while Doireann plays it first, and we'll play it and repeat it. So the full part. 3, 4. G to D. that's part A to Fasten the Leg in her. You'll notice that we didn't actually finish on a G that's called resolving. You'll find that that happens sometimes in jigs, and we've left it open. Jigs and reels in any tune, so that we leave it open and unresolved to go to the 1 chord in the second part. So in the next lesson, we'll see you back for part 2 of Fasten the Leg in her.